Eye-catching images taken out of context can quickly go viral, even when the original images are easy to find. False information dealing with health can be scary and spread quickly online. In January 2020, a US doctor posted a video of himself cutting open a deceased gallbladder to reveal gallstones inside. The doctor gave his video a colorful title, "A Bag of Boba," a reference to the tapioca pearls found in bubble tea, because that's what the images reminded him of. But in subsequent weeks, his video was shared along false claims in Thai and other languages. Some suggest tapioca pearls are a major cause of gallstones, with commenters warning people to avoid consuming them. Even though the original context of the video is easy to find, an Instagram handle appears on the video, even in the viral posts. When you use it to search on Instagram, you end up on the page of Dr. Kenichi Miyata. The page has lots of similar videos that are described as gallstones, and if you scroll to January 2020, you can see the post. I reached out to Miyata, a surgeon based in the United States. He told me he had indeed posted a video as well as a follow-up video when he realized that it had caused confusion. That video on Miyata's YouTube page is called "Boba Cannot Collect in the Gallbladder."
It has come to my attention that a recent gallbladder post of mine has gone viral, mainly in Southeast Asia. On January 9th, 2020, I posted a video of me cutting open a gallbladder that had bile and gallstones spill out that reminded me of one of my favorite drinks, boba tea. Because of that, I labeled the video as "Bag of Boba" because that's what it reminded me of. Unfortunately, some people have interpreted that as me coming across a gallbladder full of tapioca balls or boba. I'm here to clarify that that is not the situation and that it is not possible for that to happen.
His video goes on to explain why a gallbladder full of boba tea pearls is impossible. If you come across a striking health claim, it's always a good idea to find the source before sharing it with others. Sometimes that's as simple as following the clues on the screen.